What is the same color as Color Bear? Let's find out. Color, red, red, red bear. What is the same color as Red Bear? Strawberry, cherry, tomato, ladybug. Color, yellow, yellow, yellow bear. What is the same color as Yellow Bear? Lemon, banana, chick. Color, blue, blue, blue bear. What is the same color as Blue Bear? Clear skies, wide open sea. Mix, mix, Blue Bear and Yellow Bear. What color do they make? Bear, green bear, frog, broccoli, green pepper, cactus. Color, white, white, white bear. What is the same color as White Bear? Cloud, rabbit, egg, snowman. Mix, mix, Yellow Bear and Red Bear. What color do they make? Bear, orange bear, orange, carrot, pumpkin, clownfish. Mix Red Bear and Blue Bear. What color do they make? Bear, purple bear, eggplant, grape, violet, purple cabbage. Color, black, black, black bear. What is the same color as Black Bear? Raven, ant, sunglasses, panther. Mix, mix, Green Bear and Red Bear. What color do they make? Bear, brown bear, mushroom, chocolate, football, acorn. Mix, mix, Red Bear and White Bear. What color do they make? Bear, pink bear, peach, flamingo, cherry blossoms. We learned so many colors today. At home and outside, they're here to stay. Bye-bye, friends.